This is how to make payment using GoodDollar. GoodDollar has come to stay with over 1.6 million transactions, with transaction value of over $39 billion and over $3.2 million distributed for free so far. Weekly active users of over 78,000, monthly users over 105,000, and unique users of over 700,000. I'll be showing you how to use this wallet to make payment for purchase of goods and services, both online and offline. I'll be showing you by moving money from this wallet of over 14,000 GoodDollar to this my wallet. I'll be taking you through how to do that step by step. I've done different videos on how to use GoodDollar. This is one of my videos on how to connect your GoodDollar to MetaMask and collect your money directly to your bank account via Binance. This is another video on how to withdraw GoodDollar using your Good wallet, this wallet. This is another video on how to cash out your GoodDollar directly to your bank account in any country. This is another video on how to claim GoodDollar twice every day. But how do you use GoodDollar for payment of goods and services online and offline? I will be demonstrating first how to make payment between your friends and family members. I'll be making payment from this wallet, note this balance, to this wallet, note this balance. To make payment from this wallet, you select the network. There are two networks on Good Wallet, that is Cello network and Fuse network. You select the network you are using at a time. In this case, I have more GoodDollar on Cello network, so I will select Cello network. You will click send. Note that I have over 14,000 GoodDollar on this wallet. You will type in the value of GoodDollar payment. For instance, I'm making payment of 7,000 GoodDollar from this wallet to another wallet. So you scroll down. I've demonstrated with another video of how to make payment sending via address. The video will come out here. You use this link to watch this video. In this case, to make payment, you can only use link on GoodDollar wallet. So you click send via link. You want to send this amount via link. You click send via link. Don't forget, we are under Cello network. You can decide to choose the reason for your payment. Is it for digital services, for social engagement, for products and services? Are you making payment for a course? Is it for a donation or others? You type the reason here. I'm selecting others. I'm typing as a gift. You click next. You can see you are sending 7,000 GoodDollar. The transaction may take few seconds to complete. So the next thing to do is to confirm this transaction. Click confirm and share link to part with this money. So you click confirm and share link. Look at it. To complete your transaction, you copy this link from here. The link you copy here, you share it with the person that you are gifting or that you are making payment to. Then I'll be showing you how to claim the money if you are the one collecting the funds, and the GoodDollar will be transferred to the next wallet. So I will copy the link from here. Copy the link. This is the link. You forward this link through any secure medium. It can be your WhatsApp, it can be your email, and any choice of your communication medium for the recipient to use. I'll be demonstrating how to claim the payment with this wallet. As soon as the recipient receives the link, you make sure you launch your GoodDollar using Web Good Wallet. Using your Gmail possibly is the most secure. As soon as you launch your GoodDollar wallet like this, all you need to do is to copy the link you receive from the person that make payment. Also note the value of the cryptos on this wallet. You now come to the web page to paste this link. You paste the link. Look at it. You can see payment link processed successfully. You receive GoodDollar. All you need to do is to click OK. You can see this is where the payment was initiated from. The payment has been deducted, and you can see the transaction here. You can also check the status of the payment. That is, if the beneficiary has claimed the payment or not. You click this place. You can see one-time payment amount, and this is the name of the sender and the reason for the payment. You can also cancel the payment by collecting your payment back by clicking this button. Or if you lose the link before, you can copy the link again and resend to the beneficiary. The money has been collected. You can see the value of this Good Wallet has increased to over 100,000 good dollars. You can see this is the name of the sender and this is the value of the gift. You can also click it. This is the sender and this is the recipient. You can check the transaction. This is the transaction on Cello network. Success. You just click OK. Another way to make payment with your GoodDollar is that you can make payment using your GoodDollar wallet online, and you can also collect payment from your business partners online via your websites. You can see GoodDollar payment. The Good Wallet works using payment links. Look at this. Any vendor can create a simple payment request link. So all you need to do is to create a payment request link on your website. As people click, you will automatically receive payment for the goods and services you are rendering online. The GoodDollar developers within this ecosystem can help you come up with how to go about this using your website. All you need to do is to click start. You describe in one line what you are building. Just type, I want to embed a GoodDollar payment on my website. You state your website and you click OK. You can see the necessary help that can be rendered via the GoodDollar community. You will see the link to this page below the description of this video. These are different good causes you can choose from to donate to people that need help around the world using your GoodDollar in South Africa, Cameroon, Brazil, Philippines, Nigeria, Spain, Uganda, and so many other countries. Do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. The next video will take you through how to get free money online. No work, no investment. The second video will also show you how you can collect free gift cards from 9 verified website where I get free gift cards every time. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.